This right here is a taro. We've been eyeing it for a few weeks at the local nursery and finally decided to get it. It was on clearance and they ended up giving it to us for $1. So it's an annual in this area, which means it will sprout leaves and then if we keep it in the ground it won't survive. So hopefully we'll remember to dig it up. Valen put it in a dish of water overnight and it's already sprouted this little nub. And now he's gonna plant it.
Right here.
Perfect. How deep does it have to be?
I'm gonna plant it maybe probably top 6 inches deep.
About 6 inches deep? Okay. Valen actually made this soil. Underneath is the sandy soil that was there before, or just sand actually. But he mulched this area really, really deep, and since he mulched it, it has become dark and rich. It's crazy to see how the mulch, it was wood, has broken down already within a year, right? It was under a year. And you can see where the line between the new and the old soil is. More biochar. Just mixing it up so it's even.
So now I'm gonna plant it with its nub up and the area where the roots are gonna come out down.
It's gonna be one happy taro.
Yep.
And now we wait. High five.